In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your State Farm Auto Loan account. Whether you're a seasoned user or logging in for the first time, I'm here to guide you through each detailed step so you can easily manage your account online. Let's begin by getting to the State Farm website effectively. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to a reliable search engine like Google. In the search bar, type State Farm Auto Loan Account and press enter. This will direct you to the search results page where you will see various links associated with State Farm services. Pay close attention here as you'll want to click on the link that mentions online account login and registration. Once you click on the appropriate link, you'll be directed to a page that provides access to State Farm's online account management services. Scroll through this page to find and then select the login option. This link is typically found within the customer care or account management sections of the website. Selecting it will redirect you to the State Farm login page dedicated to managing your auto loan account. Now you're at the login interface. You will see fields prompting you to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your user ID. It's important to enter this information accurately to avoid any login errors or inconveniences. After entering your user ID in the designated field, proceed to the next important step by entering your secure password. Ensure your password is typed correctly, paying special attention to case sensitivity and any unique characters it might include. Once both your user ID and password have been entered, take a moment to verify that everything is correct. This is a key step to avoid unnecessary login errors. When you're sure your credentials are accurate, go ahead and click the login button. By following these steps, you've successfully logged into your State Farm Auto Loan account. Now you can navigate through your account to check your loan details, make payments, and manage your account settings. Remember, if at any point you encounter login issues or forget your password, State Farm's portal offers password recovery options to help you regain access. To wrap up, having quick access to your State Farm Auto Loan account means you can easily stay on top of your financial responsibilities. I hope this guide was helpful and gave you the additional confidence to manage your account efficiently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on how to sign in to your account.